Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an eye-catching social media post in Canva using a text cutout effect. First, just open Canva and then create new designs and then import the image that you want to use. Just go to upload and then upload files like this. Like this. And then resize it. For example, like this. And then go to apps and then search for the type cutout. This one, just tap on it and then open. Just type your text, for example like this, and then in here just upload your image. Just select the image on your designs and then you selected image like this. And then next you can choose the font that you like. For example this one, adjust the thickness, text outline. In here I will just make it 0, and then in here you can adjust the positions. Like for example like this. And then after that, when you're happy with the designs, just tap on add to designs like this. And then next just resize it to match the first image. For example like this, and then after that just remove the background of the first image like this, and then adjust the, for example like this. And then just group it, and okay like this. And next you can customize it further by adding a background, shadow, extra text, or any elements that you like. For example, I want to add background. Like this. You can just do the further edit to make it more creative. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.